sarcoidosis. Thank you so much for joining us today.
How you doing, YouTube? Welcome back. Today's a new day. New things are going to happen. And I got a surprise. Today we're about to pick up another project. I know you're like, oh, Gene, why another project? When you have a project you didn't finish. Well, shit, I got multiple projects I didn't finish. But this will be a good one. And this will be for the VQ guys. Could you take a guess what it is? Leave it in the comments below. Let's take a ride. Now that I changed my clothes, got my boy Brandon here. Yeah, I met him before. We're about to go change the wheels on the Z, from the GS to the Z. All right, let's go outside.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Alright guys, here's a new addition. This is my 2003 Nissan 350Z 6-speed. Small little wall tap here. As you can see, the previous owner was a inspiring drifter. That's the easiest way for me to say that. You can see it also does have quarter panel damage. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see there's a little blemish right there on the door, the quarter panel. You saw the rear bumper. And going around to the front, the headlights are in the house. I'm actually about to do a little something special to those. I don't know if it'll be in this episode or make that episode all by itself. Only thing I need for this really is a front bumper. And as you heard, the clutch is slipping. The clutch is slipping on this bad. The clutch is done. One good thing about that is, oh yeah, the front end is off on that. I wonder why. What the hell's the clutch? The clutch might be in the GS. Okay, that's exactly where it is. I do have a clutch for it. So most likely this weekend I'm gonna put a clutch in it. I'm putting the headlights back on, and probably gonna be driving this. Might make this a daily for now, but big plans are in the works for this. Big plans. This, you know what? I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna explain to you the madness behind this car, the madness behind this purchase, I should say. But stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun ride. Alright, now that I'm comfortable in my own house, let's discuss this whole 350Z thing. The Z was a deal. It was a deal I could not pass up, and it was a deal, believe it or not, that did not cost me anything. Well, granted, I had to sell a few parts to get it, but the Z did not cost me anything out of pocket. Not yet, at least. Basically, as you can see, the GS had twin turbo Supra wheels on it, and it no longer has them. I sold those, and I sold the 5-speed swap out of that. Basically, long story short, the Z is replacing the GS. Now, my original plan for the Z was to take the GS, take the 1.5 out of the GS, and put it in the Z. I was supposed to do 350Z 6-speed anyway with that whole motor setup. But now I just got the whole car. So the plan was to do that swap. But granted, when I saw the car and I heard it run, by the way, that car only has 42,000 miles. Original miles. Like, the motor is healthy. Healthy. So after like thinking about it and contemplating, and I crunched some numbers, trying to figure out how much it's gonna cost me to put the JZ in the Z, it kind of made sense to just turbo the VQ. Now, I'm a JZ man. Like, I love JZs. But I can't bring myself to pull out a perfectly good 40,000 mile VQ. I was a very big VQ guy. I've had about 10 Maximas. Believe it or not. I've had 4 Turbo Maximas. 1 supercharged. So, I'm big on VQ. I'm big on JZ. I couldn't bring myself to just pull out the DE and put in the JZ. So, now the plan is to replace the GS with the Z. I'm gonna sell the motor. I don't want to, but I'm gonna sell the 1.5. I'm gonna take the Borg Warner. I'm gonna put it in the Z. The Z, good thing about Z is it has up rev. The GS still needed a standalone. The Z has an up rev. Factory ECU could be tuned, unlocked and tuned. So all I would have to do is just pay for a tune. So it was like, the Z, the VQ started to outweigh the JZ swap. So the plans for right now will be the turbo to Z, make 450 to 500 stock block E85 1500cc injectors, dual pumper, full -6 dual feed line from the tank to the rail, up rev, and etc, etc. That's the plan. I do have to finish the 240 before I do that, and I'm gonna try to focus on the 240. The 240 is very close to being done. 70%. It's 70% away from being done. But I am going to do the Z this summer. Like that's a given. That's a given. I should start daily in that car within the next 2 weeks. I just need to find a front bumper. On that note, if anybody has a front bumper for the low for a 350Z, hit your boy up. I need that. As you can see, the headlights are off in the video. The headlights are actually right there. They're next video. Next Z video will be about the headlights. Trying to do a little something with that. So yeah, that's it. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. There's a lot more to come. I might just change my mind. I might just put the JZ in the Z. Who knows? Let me know what you think. Put it down in the comments. Like the video. Subscribe. Tell everybody. Thanks for the support. See you later. Peace.